All right, Brooke. Let's open your present from Gaga and Papa. You ready? Look what book that is.
Oh, when you saw the chick?
Yeah. Look, the littlest bunny in Ohio. Ooh.
Chocolate bunny!
Okay, what else is in there?
Chocolate
Oh, you're showing Charlotte?
I think so, like Ohio. Lady, try to check.
You think so?
Oh, wait, these one. I think I want to read this.
Okay, what else is in there? Crunchy candy?
Chocolate!
Mmm. Wow, look at all that candy.
Sip it!
Oh. Can you say thank you, Gaga and Papa? Okay, we don't need to jump at all. Wow, can you say thank you?
Thank you, Gaga.
And Papa? Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Papa.
Look at all that stuff.
Open it.
Okay, open the Barbie.